Welcome to HMIS training video. Today we are going to see how to generate a sick certificate by the SickFit clerk. For all SickFit clerks, this sick certificate option has been given in the SickFit module. Selecting this menu, this screen will be shown to the SickFit clerk. Here from and to date options were given where SickFit clerk can see the details of the patient's sick raised and certificate to be generated, and here employee category is given to select the category of the employee in the list, and here the two options given, current sick list and old sick list. Current sick list shows the patients who are in the current sick list, and old sick list who are given the fit certificates. That list will be shown over here. Whenever the selected dates, automatically the details will come and all these will be shown over here. Now we see how to generate a sick certificate. Click on this button to open the patient details. You can see the patient details over here. What is the employee name, age, gender and CR number and UMIN number. For further details, click on this button to see the patient information, in which department and health unit opted, and what is the station and unit from patient. To generate a sick certificate, click on this button. The details will be open, and here the name will be automatically come. Whoever log in to issue the sick certificate, his name will show over here, and handing over dot will show here. If patient is taking the sick certificate, here user has to select this patient. If somebody instead of patient, select the relative here. If patient is selected, if any manually number maintained by the hospital for the SickFit list, they can mention, or they can put any other number. Any remarks to be entered, they can be entered over here while issuing the certificate. And if any document to be uploaded from the patient, click on this checkbox. Once you selected the checkbox, the upload documents will be enabled. Click on the upload button and upload the document. Once uploaded the document, you can save to generate a sick certificate. In case of relative, here the relative name and what is the relationship and what is the address of relative and contact number, and if any relative ID is there, like any Aadhaar number or any ID you can take, and who was handed over by, automatically come his name. If any hospital reference number, they can give. Is authority proved, they can mention yes or no, authority proved or no, and handing over date, and click. If any remarks is there, they can fill the remarks. Once you selected all these things and filled, just click on the save button to generate a sick certificate. Now sick certificate is generated. They can save into a PDF or give a printout to the patient. In SickFit details, all the details will be given, from which date, the period of sick from and to, and number of days sick is given, and what is the initial sick. And here the sick certificate number, it is a unique number generated in the portal for each sick certificate, and all the demographic details of the patient, and who is advised by, his name will be come over here, and any remarks written by the doctors will be shown here. And here the sick certificate is generated by whoever the sick certificate is generated by the user, those details will be shown here. This can be given to printout, may be given to the patient, or this will be also shown in the patient mobile app also, same certificate. Thank you.